This is a WNBD NBC 33 News Brief.
Good morning. I'm Lakia Scott with your NBC 33 News Brief. 2 men are arrested accused of stealing dozens of guns from a firearms store. 32-year-old Corey Hughes and 25-year-old Estelle Cook are behind bars. The men are linked to a burglary that happened at a Kosciusko gun shop last month. The 2 men are charged with commercial burglary. The incident happened on July 28th at Central Mississippi Firearms Store on Highway 35. The burglary was captured by the store's surveillance cameras. Both men are also facing pending federal charges at this time. Meantime, 2 more Mississippians infected with the mosquito-borne illness West Nile virus. This according to the Mississippi State Department of Health. The 2 newest cases were reported in Hinds and Rankin counties. There have been 9 other cases reported this year in Mississippi. The first West Nile death this year was reported in Yazoo County. Last year, 5 Mississippi residents died from the virus. Well, a Mississippi man now knows his sentence after being charged with child molestation. 76-year-old Billy Graves was arrested on child molestation charges. The Covington County resident will now be sentenced to 10 years in prison. A judge ordered the sentence this morning, and 3 of those years will be suspended for home confinement, where he will be required to wear an electronic monitor. The judge also ordered Graves to 5 years of supervised probation, and he's required to register as a sex offender. Well, Mississippi's unemployment rate continues to rise, remaining the highest in the nation. The jobless rate rose to 8% in July, the 3rd straight month increase as the number of people reporting they had a job continued to fall. Mississippi's unemployment rate was 7.9% in June, but is below the 8.7% reported in July of last year. A recent report found more than 100,000 Mississippians were unemployed in July. Well, Dollar General is making a competing bid for Family Dollar stores. Dollar General's offer of $78.50 a share in cash is higher than the $74.50 in cash that the stock bid made by Dollar Tree on July 28th. If a Dollar General Family Dollar tie goes through, the combined company will have 20,000 stores in 46 states with sales of $28 billion. Dollar General's bid of about $9.7 billion is $1.2 billion more than the offer from Dollar Tree. Well, Arkansas Secretary of State Mark Martin has announced that an act to increase the Arkansas minimum wage turned into an additional 69,070 signatures this week. The Arkansas Secretary of State's office now has 30 days to verify the newly submitted signatures. The initiative needs 62,507 verified signatures to make the November 2014 general election ballot. The proposal seeks to increase the state's minimum wage from $6.25 to $7.50 per hour on January 1st. And to $8 in 2016, then to $8.50 per hour in 2017.
This has been a WNBD NBC 33 News Brief.